It's very difficult. This guy is a bit strong, I think so.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. دعوتك خبرتك بحرتو. إن شاء الله أرانتنا أتي جوكينجي أداتا كتكاو ترتم وان درغومي أداتا كيسنف كبردتن درغومي سنس أتي تهمنا تيجو تهمنا والدرغوم هم ناركاتي إن شاء الله درغومي تنيتي أشي دبرو درتي ونن خبجا في شرفا في جلالان إسنرا إسنكافدو akka YouTube keenya kana share like nuuf gootan maaliif jenna wallahi ati biya amma jiru kana amma jiru kan video waraabu jiru kana keessatti video baay'ee waraabuleen baay'ee rakkoodha sanma wajjin insha Allah akka abdiinu gootan akka bakka amma jiru kana bakka guddaa goonyu makiina maal ni beeyta makiina wanni isiin deemtuun gommaadha fi wanta feeti banzilli keenya fi gommaa keenyas isin yooni fi isin share like nuuf godhu baatan Facebook ni keenya yookaan YouTube ni keenya gommaan qabu bakka inni dhaqu hin jiru kanaafuu insha Allah waan babbareedu kanarra caalu akkasumatti khutbaa jum'aa fi waan adda addaa amadurlee akka isin agartan video jalatti waraabuun ture arra insha Allah wanni isin qabadhee dhufee waan guddaa akkasiiti miti ati dorgommii humnaati jechuu kanaafuu waliin dorgomuu teenya akka kara video kanyaatiin isin dabarsa
300 bir I think so Ethiopian and you know Ethiopian bir so this competition I wish to be win at least for me so please welcome yeah I am very strong I know and I am confident so I win so this guy it's very hard we need to win at 300. Yay! You can talk English international.
So this competition is very important. This competition is very important. You have a 300 birr.
I win. My brother and my sister is, I think so, you know, this guy, he is our own YouTuber. So please talk your friends.
Okay, inshallah. Dawatata kujunta kanya taranya anaga ananagayse. Welcome to tartan. Yonara injifate. Dibasa den boda. Yonara injifate. Dibasa den ran.
I confidence myself.
Yeah. Kanaku. Hawalilalo. Welcome to King Gimire with me.
Welcome, my brother. Welcome. I wish to be win for me.
Okay.
So, and I'm talk for your friends. So please, this challenge, it's a very important for us and for you. So, and please, and subscribe this channel. And I wish to be willing for this channel to subscribing for you and to sharing this and video. So I wish all the best for you, my sister and my brothers.
Okay,
so
go.
It's a very difficult. This guy is a very strong, I think so. It's a win for me. So and it's a win for me. But double sorry. So
Amadura rafude wani tuftecha khana yona rafude isa yona rafude sana. Welcome to Tartan with me. War haiga gudaysan inni waxa yar lacagta ay ka qaadeen. Adalay. Yeah, don't afraid. Well, okay.
I think so.
It's
happening for. Good. I think so. It's a very difficult. I think so. They are saying. And 300 is you know, I am greeting for you, and this challenge is a very difficult and it's a very important. He win for another man, but this guy he was preparing for this challenge and he win. So welcome and subscribe and like and share more than 1000.
Okay, inshallah. Mucaan amma na cinaa dhaabbatullee agartanii mucaan sun maqaan isaa kan Gimiree jedhama. YouTube isaallee akka like, share, subscribe gootanii finne isiniif jaa. Inshallah ati linkii kiyya jala kaayetiin jira namas ashaaba nama saahiba gaarii wajji turre. Inshallah saahiba tokkonya gaarii fi qaalii viidiyoo kanarra gaariidha qabannee hanga isinii dhufnutti inshallah.
I love you.
Ha waan inni isiniin jiru hundi keessanuu King Gimiree and Bahar Tube like, share, comment akanu gootan isininja khabaja fi jalalan makhina arrantan irri jiru kana akka gooma itti gootan isininja. Goodbye.